Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of SOH-CAH-TOA. So SOH-CAH-TOA is the trigonometry for the we're just talking about sine, cosine, and tangents. In this specific question, we're talking about the cosine. I'm going to read this question and I will talk about the SOH-CAH-TOA, then we will solve this question together. If cosine A is 3/5 and the triangle ABC is a right triangle, what is measure of the length of the side BC? So AB is given as 60 and the choice A is given 20, B is 40, C is 60, and D is 80. So let's talk about SOH-CAH-TOA first. So the SOH, this is coming from sine. Let's say that we're going to use angle A. And this means opposite over H stands for the hypotenuse. And for the COA, this means cosine A. C comes from the cosine. A stands for adjacent over H stands for the hypotenuse. And TOA, I'll use a black color for that. TOA is tangent A, which means T comes from tangent, O comes from, remember, opposite, and the A is the adjacent. So based on this informations, then the one we provided, if you will just switch back the question, we have here cosine 3/5. So if you will look talking about cosine at the angle A, I want you to imagine yourself, you're sitting on this corner of A, and if you're talking about cosine, you need adjacent and the hypotenuse. Adjacent is here, which is AB, because this angle has two arms. If you would just pay attention, you would realize that the one on the right side is the adjacent. So 3x and the hypotenuse is 5x. If this side AB is 3x and the hypotenuse is 5x, this is a special triangle. The length of CB must be equal to 4x, because we have that 3, 4, 5 special triangle. What I mean by the special triangle is that, the sides are integers. So if this is 4, this is 3, this must be 5. Why? Because we know that from the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared must be equal to c squared, and this is 4 squared plus 3 squared must be equal to 5 squared, because 4 squared is 16 plus 9 gives you 25, right? So that's why it's a special triangle. So we know that 3x is equals to 60. To find the value of 1x, I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 3. And the x will be equals to 20. And do you think is the choice A is the answer? No, because we're looking for the 4x, right? So to find the value of 4x, we will just multiply 4 by 20, which is 80. So the correct answer will be choice D for this specific question. By the way, in this question, I would like you to also practice. What is 10A? Can you just tell me what it is? 10a means 4x over 3x. You can say 8 over 60, same thing. 4x over 3x, which is 4 over 3. Or you can say 8 over 60. X cancels each other out, and you got 4 over 3. Can you also tell me what the sine A is equal to? Sine A, opposite side of the A, if you look at it, 4x, again, over the hypotenuse, 5x, which is 4 over 5. Or you can say 80 over 100, because 5x is going to be 5 times 20, 100, right? So we also calculated those as well in this question. You might face these kind of questions during the test, so you got to be really careful about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and I wish you good luck with your studies. See you next time. Bye-bye.